Good morning. I got a little bit of a different video planned. It's not too very different. If you go back far enough, you'll see that I fixed up my old canoe. And this video is similar. I'm gonna be fixing up an old mini bike that I built about 20 years ago when my son was 2 years old. There it is. Built that about 20 years ago. It's gone through a few transformations over the years. And I've never totally finished it. A lot of people think it's just a bicycle frame, but that's actually 1/8 inch mild tubing. I did use the fork off one of them Jesse James bikes. The rest of the frame is all homemade. So we're gonna strip this down, give it new life. One thing this thing's never had was a proper seat. Definitely gonna try to do something about that. Gotta clean up this engine. Make sure this torque converter, that's about shot. Might have to buy a couple things. But yeah, it's been through many stages. Used to have a real raked out front end on it, but it started to get weak and sag. Last time I fixed it up, did this rat rod patina paint job. It's going to be a nightmare sanding all those layers of paint off. One of the first things I got to do before I even take the back wheel off is try to remount this fender, because it always just welded to the back of the frame, but it always broke off because I never had struts on it. And I just want to make sure that's square to the back wheel, got the right radius before I take it all apart. I'm gonna try to put little struts on it. That'll be a much better mini bike when I get it done. Fun fact, the throttle I use is an old grip shifter. I took the clicker out of it. Took the clicker out of it so I could use it as a throttle. Oh, there it is, all broke down. Got a little bit of work to do. Got to grind all this stuff off, clean that up, take the cups out for the headset. Yep, start cleaning it up and getting it ready for paint, and we'll paint it, start putting it back together. First thing we need to do is wash this thing. See if it's got any cracks or any damage we need to fix while we're working on it. Every time I've repainted it in the past, it did have cracks somewhere. Won't be able to find them until it's clean though. Got as clean as it's going to get till I start sanding on it. Hey y'all, I just want to jump in here real quick to explain that this project isn't one I'm going to work on and put out videos back to back until it's completed. It may be a few months till the next video on this, but I do have a cool idea for a video once it's done, so stay tuned. Also, I don't want to bore you with a bunch of sanding. We'll see y'all in the next one.